My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 54,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the screen we can get quick access to Bluetooth, media and radio. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.